everyone. Did you know that there was a 3-day fluid art painting convention called the Fluid Art Experience that we host, that travels all around the US and is about to start in the next 4 to 6 weeks?
Really?
Well, I hope you know about it because you're teaching at it, and I'll be there checking you guys in at reception. Well, there is, and it's called the Fluid Art Experience. Over the next couple of hours, 10 of us, the 10 and 11 including us two artists at the Fluid Art Experience, are going to be showcasing their pieces that they're going to raffle off for free.
Yep.
So, if you want to see and hear some more about it, stick around for the next 15 minutes.
Yeah, because you get to see moi painting a piece.
Absolutely, and some voiceover from both of us. So, let's get to the table and we'll tell you more about what's coming. So here we are at the table.
We are here at the table.
Actually, you're here at the table.
Yes.
So this is the raffle piece from Masse Art Studios. It's a 20 by 20, which will be framed and looking all pretty.
I know.
But here's the creation.
Ooh.
I see a white base and now I see a cup of many colours.
Yes.
What were your colours?
I had the green gold. I had Titan Buff Deep. I had a gold that I mixed with copper gold by Arteza.
A custom gold.
A custom gold. And then I actually made it's that, I call it Benny Burnt Orange or something like that. It's a gold in its color, and it's like this big long name. Anyway, that's that color in there. And I also have some brown.
Okay, so you're teaching grenade pours in one of your classes, and
Yes.
that's exactly what you've just done.
Yes.
So you've basically taken a pin, put it into your plastic cup.
Yep.
It's like a flip cup.
It is.
When you remove the pin, all the colours came out.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
Now I'm getting all the bubbles out.
And I did see you just lip it there as well.
I did lip it.
Did you lip it good?
I lipped it good.
I
I always lip it.
I love it. That's very cool. And I see you torching it off.
Yes.
Now as well. Okay. So let's talk a little bit about the Fluid Art Experience whilst you create this wonder. This experience was supposed to be last year.
Yeah.
But then we moved it to this year.
Yes, which I'm glad we did.
Me too, for a whole number of reasons. Too many to list right here. But what that does mean is that the Fluid Art Experience is now going to be March the 14th, March the 15th, and March the 16th.
Yes.
So basically in 4 weeks' time. And it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday schedule this time around. Jeremy, do you remember the hotel where we're at?
It's the Renaissance.
It is, in Richardson. We've been there, 2 or 3 times before.
Oh, this is like the 4th time we're there.
It exactly is. It's a great location for a Fluid Art Experience.
Yes.
Because all of the conference rooms are all very close to each other. You'll be able to eat within the hotel, and then you're going to sleep there too.
Yes.
So it's like it's a really awesome opportunity to kind of eat, sleep, and paint all in the same space.
Yeah, it is. Everybody gets to like hang out and with each other. It's a lot of fun.
There's a really cool bar area as well,
Yeah.
which everyone sits in kind of like after class and after the evening entertainments and stuff. So it's really cool. So let me give you your first important bit of information.
Please do.
The room block booking discounted rate is going to expire on February the 13th. So you're going to watch this video today, February the 7th.
Yeah.
And in 6 days' time, that discounted rate that we've negotiated with the hotel on your behalf will actually disappear.
Yes.
So that current rate is $139. Normally the room rates are higher than that.
Yeah.
So if you want to take advantage of that room rate, all you need to do is book that rate through the booking link that is on the website.
Yes.
The Fluid Art Experience website. If you go to venue, you'll be able to click on that link and go and grab those hotel rooms. Now please go get them whilst you can.
Yes, because the countdown begins.
The countdown.
It's the final countdown.
Boo, boo, boo. Boo, 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 boo. It is, and you've got 6 days. So that's not a long time at all.
Look at this masterclass in stretching right now.
It is actually. Listen, I'm gonna agree with you. It is a masterclass in tilting.
That's what tilting.
Oh,
yes.
we didn't say what time is it?
Oh, it is tilting time.
Tilting time. It's 2:41. Let's tilt this bad boy out. We didn't talk about it because we were too busy talking about something else.
I know.
But yeah, this is a really beautiful tilt. Now you're seeing this in real time. So this is Jeremy tilting this one out.
Yes.
in the same speed that you see him in the studio, which I'll often say is a glacial pace, but that's what's needed for tilting.
Oh my God, you tilt slower than I do.
I do. I think slow tilting is the way to go, personally, but whatever. So we've talked about the rooms, we've talked about the hotel. Let's talk about the artists.
Let's talk about the artists.
There are so many of them.
Oh,
this
girl,
time
have you heard
around.
about? No, I'm kidding.
We were going to dish some tea on the artists. Listen, you might come if you come and stand by reception long enough, you might get some tea on the artists. But in this train, you've got ourselves starting. Mm-hmm. We've got Kathleen from Cos Creations.
Yes.
We've got Brian from Studio 15.
Yay.
We've got Tara from Pieces of Tara Artistry. Mm-hmm. You've got Nate Bright Art.
Yes.
You've got Britta from Brick Clayton Designs. Yes. You got Canella from Canella Sirocco Art.
Yep.
Amber Goodwin Art is joining us.
Yay.
Jessica, I should say, from Winterstrom Art.
I love her.
We've got Sarah Taylor, Modern Art, and then we've got the caboose of the train, which is Marcy from Mixed Media Girl.
Yay.
So, and those 10 channels make up the 10 artists that are all teaching at the event as well. Mm-hmm. So you got a bit of everything. If you are a fluid art beginner and you're thinking to yourself, how can I learn more? This is the opportunity to do so.
Absolutely.
You've got what kind of techniques do you think we've got here, Jeremy? We've got blowouts.
Yep.
We've got cloud pours.
Yep.
We've got
swipes. And,
pearl
pours.
You've got resin work from Marcy. Mm-hmm. You've got dot work from Amber and kind of like textured art as well from Tara.
Sarah is like an incredible artist. Her artwork is so beautiful, and I wouldn't even know what to call her artwork.
I'd call it amazing.
I would call it amazing, actually. She is incredible.
And
I remember when she started her journey.
Oh my God, that's amazing. And you've also got like, what's the word I'm looking for? Classroom based, like cerebral kind of, technique stuff as well. So you've got Marcy teaching the business of art. Mm-hmm. So if you've got a channel or if you just want to sell your artwork in a certain way and you don't know how to do that, Marcy's got some classes for you. They're one-on-one. That's like $1 million like knowledge there.
Oh yeah.
And then you've also got Nate from Nate by Art. He's teaching kind of philosophy and technique and breaking down barriers and all that kind of stuff too. So not just hands-on painting classes, but just more than that as well.
Yeah.
Which is really awesome. So I'm super excited about that. Jeremy, tell me about your little piece here. I see you've almost stretched this one out to completion.
Yeah. You know what? I really liked it, except for kind of that center.
The center, which is, it looks like Dick Van Dyke Brown there.
Yeah, it looks like a melted Tootsie Roll.
It does look like a melted Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Roll. So then what are you going to do? How are you going to fix it?
I actually I'm going to pour another cup on there.
Wow, I didn't know that of this piece.
Oh,
when
really?
I looked at it, I didn't know that you'd done a pour on top of a pour.
You know what I love is that that green gold. Mm-hmm. I love how vibrant, like yellow it got.
It went almost chartreuse.
Oh yeah,
didn't it? I know you do. That's why I said it. I can see that over on the left-hand side and at the top. It's not in the middle, which is kind of cute, but it's on the edges.
But it does dry darker, so
it does, and it's also got a little bit of sheen to it as well.
1, 2, 3.
Flip that bad boy.
Oh wow, that was a pretty good flip.
That was a really good flip. Was that another full cup?
No.
Okay.
It was kind of like a half cup, and it was a smaller cup.
It was a halfer.
It was a halfer.
Okay. Let's talk about our sponsors for the Fluid Art Experience this year, without whom this event would not be possible.
Yes.
The sponsors give up either time and or product for the teachers and the students. Yeah. So thank you very, very much again to our wonderful sponsors. We've got Mixed Media Girl as a sponsor.
Yay.
So she'll be giving product to the classrooms, the teachers, and there's a hope also, depending upon what has happened over the last 6 to 8 weeks, because Marcy was very much impacted by the Los Angeles fires. If you didn't know, very terrible experience that she's had. So if you see her in corridors, I know that she'll appreciate hugs. But there may be an opportunity for Marcy to bring product and actually sell it at the event as well.
Yeah.
So thank you to Marcy for your continued sponsorship. We've got Royal Talons, Amsterdam. Jeremy has Amsterdam paints in this pour. As will probably all the artists.
I do. Most of them are.
Throughout this collaboration, this 2-hour train. if without Amsterdam, this event would be a very different event because they provide thousands of dollars worth of product for the
so great
for the artists, and also they could also be stuff to give away to the students as well. So thank you everyone at Royal Talons in Amsterdam for your continued support.
Absolutely.
Jeff, who's our point of contact there, is an absolute stud. So
he's absolutely adorable. He is the sweetest guy.
There is going to be, for the students only, a 50% off QR code where you guys who are attending the event are going to be able to come and get 50% off all of the paints that the teachers are using in their classrooms.
Yes.
Super cool. We've never had that before. So thank you again to Jeff and the Amsterdam team. And then our platinum sponsors.
Yeah.
Who have been with us since November 2021. Can you believe that? That was when our very first experience was.
I know.
Again, who we could not do this without. That is the wonderful, talented, amazing people at This Little Piggy and Fluid Art Co. We're going to have product for the students to give out, and there's going to be stuff that you'll be able to see that's going to be floating around from those guys
those
too.
TLPs.
We do love those. They're so shiny and so sparkly. So thank you so very much, you guys. Now, before you finish and put this piece of artwork down, Jeremy, because I see you're almost getting there, I have to tell you guys and encourage you to go and book the evening entertainment.
Yes.
We've got a reception on the Friday night, which is held in the gallery area, and you can go and book that on the Eventbrite website, which you'll click onto the Fluid Art Experience website and say book tickets, and you'll be able to go and get tickets for the Friday night. That's food. It's usually sliders or salads, and you'll be able to get drinks. There's alcoholic beverages to be able to purchase in and around the gallery area, and all the teachers will be there too, as well as all the students. So
that's a lot of fun.
It is. If you're coming on your own, it's an opportunity to mingle with the like-minded students, and you'll see us all there. Jeremy and I will be in sparkly jackets. It's always lots of fun. But the real event, the main event for the evening entertainment, is on the Saturday night, and that is our gala dinner.
The gala dinner.
It's going to be a sit-down dinner. It's going to be really great food. There is a cash bar once again. Once the food is over, there's then going to be a presentation, a Q&A with the artists. Then we're going to raffle off both gift baskets and all the 10 pieces of art from the artists.
Yeah.
And if you're not at that gala event, you can't win the art.
Yep.
It's a raffle. There's going to be 12 or 13 different kind of things to be able to purchase. You've probably got a 1 in 5, 6 or 7, chance to actually walk away from something from this event.
And every gala dinner that we have, there's like 2 or 3 people that are like, I never win anything.
Exactly, I know, and they always
I love it.
It's amazing. So if you don't come to the gala dinner, you can't win the art. I have to say that again. So please go grab those tickets. They are selling out fast, and it is a limited number. So we hope we get to see you at the gala dinner too.
Absolutely.
Jeremy, this is a stunner.
Thank you. It's so different, and it's drawing amazingly right now.
Well, let's have another look at it in the outro. So there you have it.
Wowzers.
So not only did you get to see Jeremy create a beautiful piece of art that we're going to be auctioning off if you come to the gala dinner.
Yes.
On the Saturday night.
Yes.
You also got to hear all about the Fluid Art experience and kind of the journey and what's still available and all that kind of stuff. So if you're still a little perplexed, go back and watch that video. There'll be a lot of information as voiceover to Jeremy's painting.
Yeah.
Next up, we've got Kathleen.
Oh my gosh.
From Cos Creations Art. And then we're going to go all the way through the artists, finishing up with Mixed Media Girl.
Oh, wow, yeah.
So it's going to be a couple of hours long, but they're 15-minute episodes each, and you'll get to see the pieces that everyone is creating. Again, that's the raffle piece to give away. So it's going to be really fun.
Just for the Fluid Art experience.
Just for the Fluid Art experience. So thank you so very much for indulging us over the next couple of hours. We hope you get to see everyone, or at the very least your favourites.
Yeah.
And and we are so proud to be starting this train. Can't wait to see Mixed Media Girl as the caboose.
Yes.
So let's get you over to Kathleen. Please go follow Kathleen now. You'll be able to click the playlist or go straight to her channel, and we'll see you all there in the premieres.
Which is Cos Creations.
Cos Creations Art. Thank you. All right, guys. We'll see you there.
Bye, guys.
Bye.